When you look at the data, some of the largest and most important American companies are actually increasing their manufacturing in China. If you read this white paper report published by the American Chamber of Commerce in China, it reveals the exact mindset of many US companies. More than 90% of the participating companies select China as one of the most important investment destinations, and 75% of the companies plan to reinvest in China. In the future, manufacturing will be defined by a shift to clean energy, which means that solar panels, wind turbines, and electric vehicles will be at the forefront. And when it comes to green energy, China is the undeniable powerhouse, completely dominating the industry. China is simply too far ahead in the EV industry that Western automakers literally have no chance to compete with China. Ford has predicted they will lose $5 billion on its electric vehicle operations, and remember, that's in spite of high tariffs that block Chinese EVs from entering the American market. Ford has now decided its best option is to pivot strategies and take subsidies from the US government to make batteries in Michigan. But here's the catch. Ford will license the battery technology from China's CATL, the world's largest maker of EV batteries, once again proving that without China, Ford would not have a future in the EV industry. But now let's take a look at Apple's business in China and reveal just how important China is to one of America's most valuable brands. Earlier this year, Nikkei Asia reported that Apple is moving closer to China despite supply chain shifts. Once again, there is a stark difference between what US politicians preach and what pragmatic business leaders are doing in China. Apple is increasing its use of parts from both Chinese suppliers and manufacturing sites. It's time for America to rethink its approach and focus on building a competitive edge where it really matters.